Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all may fine and I think you all are busy with New Year celebrations. And guys, I greet you all in this wonderful and happiest moment. And I feel very happy and joy to be here and stand before you to share some few words and few stories about someone or something. So without any delay, I will get into that story. Guys, in this story, I want to introduce one important person. Just I want to share some few words about him. And he is none other than Sunil Gavaskar. Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. Guys, he's not a cricket player. He's an ordinary person. He is from remote area. Guys, he had failed in 10th class public examinations and intermediate public examinations. And the subject was English. In 10th class examination, he failed in English subject. And in intermediate also, he had failed in English subject. So at that time, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar's mother scolded him very bad. She said, "Hey, are you a fool? Are you out of your mind? Can't you focus? Can't you read well? All the persons, all of your friends are passed out except you. You are really a mediocre. You born for enjoyment. I know. I have a lot of hopes on you, but you are completely different from all those things. So I don't want to scold you. It's your life, your wish. You can do anything. Go. Get out from this home. You can do anything. Please get out." So at that time, he had decided to get one job. So he attended to one interview. That interview was about English teacher for nursery classes. Nursery classes mean pre-KG, UKG, LKG. Okay. So principal called him inside and principal said, "Yeah, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, please have your seat, man. Just I am verifying your file. Please be seated." So the first and foremost question is, you know very well, introduce yourself. Principal asked, introduce yourself. So Mr. Sunil Gavaskar is actually a Telugu medium student. So that's why he started his speech in Telugu. "Sir, నా పేరు సునీల్ గవాస్కర్. మా తండ్రి గారు చనిపోయారు సార్. నేను మా అమ్మ మాత్రమే ఇంట్లో ఉంటున్నాం. నా కోరిక సార్ టీచింగ్ ఫీల్డ్లో ఉండాలని చెప్పి." So while he was trying to convey something, at that time, principal hit it on the bench and said, "Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, what I asked you to speak in English. Introduce yourself in English. Just introduce yourself in English." So he was very panicked and he was very nervous. Mr. Sunil Gavaskar started his introduction and he said, "Sir, my name Sunil Gavaskar. My father died. I passed degree. Me, mother, alone, one home." So likewise, he was trying to convey something. At that time, the principal was very furious about Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. At that time, he just said one thing. "Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, remember one thing. The persons who are working in this institution, they should speak in English. Even the workers also speak in English. I completely came to know about yourself. So you may leave now. I don't want to talk with you. I don't want to waste my time with you. Please get out from this cabin." And principal called Pune and said, "Hey Pune, let him out from this cabin." So after listening these words, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar felt like someone slapped on his face with the slipper. So at that time, that guilt feeling completely fixed in his heart. So at that time, he had decided to speak in English. He had decided to learn English. So that's why he had decided to go to Hyderabad to learn English. But only 200 is there in his wallet. So with the 200, he was stepped inside the bus and he went to Hyderabad. You know, he didn't know anyone in Hyderabad. He didn't have any relatives and friends or anyone. So that's why he was sitting on bench in one old park and he was drinking some water in that park. Tap line connection was there. By the tap line connection, he was drinking water daily. And for 3 days, he had been drinking that water only. So in third day, one cop came to him and asked, "Hey, who are you, man? Where are you from? I have been observing you for 3 days. Huh? Are you planning for something? Are you a terrorist? Are you a rowdy? What are you planning for?" So after listening these all words, completely, he was clueless. So he conveyed his whole story very smoothly. Sir, please try to understand me. I'm not a rowdy, I'm not a terrorist. I'm an ordinary person and I am from remote area, sir. I'm here to learn English. Please try to understand me. Don't misunderstand me, please. I don't know anyone in this Hyderabad, so that's why I have been sitting here for 3 days, sir. Please leave me. And after some time, the cop left from that place. After some time, he was completely starving. He was starving. At that time, he observed one person who was attaching posters on walls, and there was a bucket beside him. It's a glue bucket. You know well about glue bucket, right? So Mr. Sunil Gavaskar went to that person and he asked that person like this: brother, please, brother, can I eat this? I'm completely starving. I don't know anyone in Hyderabad and I don't have any single penny. Please, bro, can I eat this? So after listening to his words, that person said him like this: hey man, are you out of your mind? If you eat that, definitely you will die, man. You will die. Who are you? Where are you from? And after some time, again he conveyed his whole story to him, and the person offered him breakfast. He felt very happy. Mr. Sunil Gavaskar felt very happy, and he can't forget him for his whole life. So after some time, again he offered one job to him with that breakfast. The job is to attach posters on walls to distribute pamphlets. For each poster, he will get 50 paisa. For each poster, he will get 50 paisa. So, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar decided to do that job, and he had started his work, and he had been attaching the posters on the walls, and he had been distributing the pamphlets to all over the city. And one fine day, he started speaking with himself. Who am I? Where am I from? Why am I here? What is my ambition and what I am doing now? So at that time, he observed one pamphlet. On that pamphlet, there is a kind information about spoken English class. So he had decided to go to that spoken English class, and there he met one person. He was a teacher. His name was Srinivas. So Mr. Sunil Gavaskar asked Srinivas like this: sir, I'm here to learn English. Sir, can I learn English? Is it possible for me? At that time, Srinivasa said to him, guys, listen carefully. Do try and defeat, but don't defeat in try. And again he said another thing. Impossible itself says that I am possible. So after listen this, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar started his journey, started his education. Srinivasa helped him a lot, and finally he completely learned English. And after 2 years, he had established one institution in his own town, in remote area, and a lot of students are there in that institution. And now the institution is very famous institution. That institution name is Prigna Institution. So there lot of students are there from that remote area and from other cities too. Now that institution is that much of famous. Even the old persons also trying to learn English in that institution. After his career, while Mr. Sunil Gavaskar was traveling by a car at that time, principal who had rejected him in his past came to him and knocked the car glass, and Mr. Sunil Gavaskar scrolled down his glass. The principal said this: Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, you are awesome. Hats off to you. After listened about you and after listened about your coaching center, I was at cloud nine. No limits to my happiness. Only sky is the limit to my happiness. So, will you please come to my college and motivate my children? Please, will you please? I'm requesting you. It's my kind request. Guys, just observe. Observe once. This is called success. This is called success. Mr. Sunil Gavaskar is a rejected piece. He was rejected by the principal. But now the principal is taking his appointment. So that is called real success. So guys, Rejection is not better, it's the best. If you are a failure, if you are a rejected piece, don't feel sad. Why? Because rejections and failures and problems are the stepping stones in our life. Stepping stones to achieve success. So try to get failures. Try to do mistakes, but don't repeat the same mistakes again and again. Okay, guys? And this is the beautiful and painful story about Sunil Gavaskar. So the title name is Rejected Piece, and here the story ends. If you have any questions and if you have any suggestions, don't forget to mention it in comment box. Guys, don't forget one thing. Guys, we have a Telegram group. In the Telegram group, we provide a lot of information about English. In description, you can find that link. So please go through that. Try to subscribe our channel if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon beside that. It doesn't make any sound, but try to hit it once. Okay? Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Until then, bye bye.